How to bookmark a website on the Safari browser. Safari is the browser that comes built in with any Apple product. Most of the times you will find it on the dock over here, or you can just press Command plus space and type in Safari. Here you can see we have the application. To open it, you can just double click on it. Once it is opened, we can, for example, go to youtube.com/@mymactalk. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way. And let's say I want to bookmark this. To bookmark in Safari, it goes one step further, which is going to involve going to the share button. Now that you have clicked on it, go to add to bookmarks. And here you can see added to bookmarks. You can also see your other bookmarks. If you want to edit this, you can also edit the name and then hit enter. To view bookmarks, here you have the sidebar option. Click on that, and here you can see under saved we have bookmarks. Click on it and you'll find it right over here. Alternatively, you can also go to share and then add it to your reading list if it's an article or something, or you can also add bookmark to, and then you can customize this a bit. Let's say I want to add this page to the favorite section, and then I want to leave the name as is. If you want to change it, you can do that as well. And I'm going to leave the description as subscribe because you guys need to subscribe. After that, click on add, and you can see over here we already have the bookmarks bar. But if I also go to the new page, you can see under favorites we have this bookmark right over here. That's how you add bookmark on Safari browser. If this video has been helpful, do make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.